want to talk to everyone about the movie Nonna. It just brought me back to my grandma's kitchen. I felt like I was stepping into her kitchen. I just saw the way the nonnas were reacting to one another. It was a little unusual at the beginning when they were arguing and fighting. My nonna didn't behave like that. I don't know about your nonna. That's the only thing that was a little bit of a difference. But the tradition and the way they gelled together later on was just amazing. Hearing the family around the table, all the loud talking, the clanging of the dishes and the glasses, and the kids running around, and the big long table. Boy, did that bring me back to memories. And just seeing all the nonnas in the kitchen stirring the pot of sauce. My grandma used to do that with all her daughters surrounding her. I was a little child, I was the grandchild, and I would watch, and that's why I got started to cook at the age of 10. I actually believe, I wish I would have casted for that movie. I'm not a big celebrity, but I fit right in. I was able to relate, especially when they brought back family values and traditions. Just at the time of when I have been the past 2 years cooking about bringing everyone back to the table, creating family values again, conversation, carrying on tradition with food. What do I always say? Food not only tastes good, but it feels good. And this Nonna movie had me in tears. If you haven't seen it, you really must see it. The ending was phenomenal. The entire movie was great. And really, some of the parts of Nonna was filmed in Patterson, where my mom's best friends used to live. And it was filmed in Jersey City. And Sip Avenue is where my mom and some of her aunts were raised until they moved to Weehawken. And Union City is where a couple of my aunts were, my uncle and my aunt were born. I was able to relate to every single aspect of this movie. And when they got to Hoboken, that was the amazing part. Some of it was filmed in Hoboken. My grandma was best friends with Dolly, Frank Sinatra's mom. I was a little girl. I used to go with my grandma by the hand to Hoboken. She would take me and we would go visit Miss Dolly, I called her. And there was Frank Sinatra in the kitchen. I didn't know who he was. I was only 6, 7, 8 years old. To me, he was just an older person, but he was there. So I felt like I lived through some of this movie, but what I really felt was the message that it gave to everyone, the beautiful message of family love, family tradition, surrounded with all these big portions of food, varieties of food.